Here we are returning to Leasana, my little hunter. She is level 6. And I think we're going to try out the fair. We'll see what's going on with that. So the fair is in Goldshire, which is down the road here from Stormwind. Now I have my herb finder on up here on my mini map, so we'll see if we see any herbs to pick. On here along the edge. I also need 3 more copper in order to buy a fishing pole, so I think I'm gonna kill a few of these bandits over here, if there are any. There's one. Is that 1 copper? Oh my goodness. All right.
Ready yet?
Oh, I should be using my hunter's mark. Okay, hunter's mark.
It's too far away.
He's too far away.
That's still
Ooh, he had 6 copper. I'm rich now.
I can't cast that yet. That spell isn't ready yet.
Oops, guess I need to keep an eye on my mana. Drink a little something, get that blue mana line back up. That allows me to do my shoots and my abilities, my shots and my abilities. Oh, I see a yellow dot.
Cast that yet.
An herb. Ooh, he had a healing potion. Okay, let's run up here. See if we can get this herb. My first herb. I probably will not be successful picking it. Oh, I picked it. Wow. Kind of expecting to fail a time or two. Okay, I don't have a quest or anything for these guys. I'm just trying to build up a little teeny reserve of cash. So I'm not fretting over 3 cents. 3 copper. Ooh, a belt. Let's see if that's any better. Oh, that's way better. And that's way better. Nice. Maybe I should kill a few more of these. They have better armor than what I'm wearing. Well, let's see who else is here. Oh, wait, I see a quest. I mean, as long as I'm here. Ooh, I see a dot. Herb dot.
Hey there. See you later.
Uh-oh, she's going to the same place I am. Oh, that's red. I can't pick that yet. I mean, considering I've only picked 1 herb, I'm not surprised. All right, I now have 64 copper, and I believe the fishing pole was 35. Let's see if these guys sell a fishing pole.
Good day to you. Have a good one.
Nope. What about somebody in here? Leatherworking and skinning. Okay. What are all these green dots? Carnival. Oh, that's where it is. Okay. See if anybody in here has a fishing pole. Okay, assistant innkeeper has nothing. Oh, is this the guy I need to turn this into?
Safe travels.
Water?
See you around.
Greetings. For the Alliance.
You need something?
Yeah, I don't have
See
enough
you later.
money to train that yet. Is there like just a general goods guy? Oh wait, down here.
What are you looking for?
Aha! Fishing pole. Oh, it's only 23 here. Ah, Stormwind was trying to gouge me.
Be careful.
Okay, so in Ironforge, I got this ticket to come down here.
What's up? Be good. Have a good one. Keep it real.
Oh, got experience for that. Oh, I'm 7. Nice. That was easy. Okay. Is this the fair, or do we go somewhere else?
Can I help you? Be careful. Safe
Well,
travels.
I do not have that ability to make weight stones.
Interesting.
This one want more
Have a
furry
great day now.
paws.
Time is money, friend. Be good.
What you want? Spirit.
Wants a copper modulator. I don't have any of that stuff. Okay, well. Alright, I'm gonna run back up the road to... Oh wait, I'm gonna do a little bit of fishing. This is a really nice low-level place to fish where I won't get attacked. Right along here. Crystal Lake. Okay, so I am going to get my fishing. I'm gonna flip my bar 1. Put fishing here. And I'm gonna put my fishing pole here. And my current weapon here. So I can switch that out with a click, and I can fish. Alright, so I'm going to pause my video here while I'm fishing for a bit, because that would be extremely boring to sit and watch. You just click the bobber when it bobs and catch the fish. Just sitting here fishing, and I see a herb popped up on my mini map. I'm going to catch this fish, hopefully. One thing I noticed about fishing... Oh, I should change back to my weapon. And my bar. One thing I noticed about fishing is that if you're too efficient, if you click really quickly when it bobs, then your fish gets away quite often. So you have to let it do its complete bobbing action and sound and then click it. Oh, failed. And failed again. All right, so I didn't do a lot of fishing. I caught 8 small fish and 3 mud snappers. That will give me a little bit for feeding my pet once I get one. Really need more bags before I catch much more. All right, so I'm going to run back to Stormwind, back to the tram, ride the tram to Ironforge, and go back to questing. That's my plan here. If I had been wise enough to find my hearth in Ironforge, I could have just hearthed back very quickly. But I didn't, so I'm having to run the whole way. think the hunter trainer is somewhere back here. Maybe this building?
Interest you on a pint?